Welcome to this presentation on HPLC for practicing scientists. Today we'll be focusing on the primary separation modes of HPLC: NPC, RPC, IEC, and SEC. Today's agenda will cover the four primary modes of HPLC, their mechanisms and applications. We'll delve into normal phase chromatography, NPC, then explore reversed phase chromatography, RPC, which is the most common mode. Following that, we'll discuss ion exchange chromatography, IEC, and finally, size exclusion chromatography, SEC. Let's understand the chromatography process. The sample mixture is separated into constituent components by distribution between the mobile phase and the stationary phase. This slide illustrates the chromatography process, shows a microscopic view of analyte retention, and presents a typical chromatogram. Let's start with Mode 1, Normal Phase Chromatography, NPC, also known as adsorption chromatography. In NPC, the primary interaction is polar adsorption. The most common stationary phase is silica, using hexane as the mobile phase. Common applications include isomer separations and purification. However, it's generally not used in quantitative analysis due to poor reproducibility. This slide demonstrates NPC separations of isomers of vitamins E. Note that NPC is less reproducible due to column contamination, but this issue can be mitigated by using polar bonded phases. NPC remains important in supercritical fluid chromatography, SFC, and chiral separations. Now let's move on to Mode 2, Reversed Phase Chromatography, RPC, also known as partition chromatography. In RPC, the primary interaction is hydrophobic or solvophobic partitioning. The most common stationary phase is C18 bonded to a porous silica support, using a mixture of water and methanol or acetonitrile as the mobile phase. RPC is used in approximately 80% of all HPLC applications. The retention mechanism involves hydrophobic interaction or partitioning of the analytes into the hydrophobic stationary bonded phase. The term solvophobic interaction may be more accurate, as the mobile phase also plays a role in retention. This slide illustrates RPC using a C18 column with a mobile phase of 80% methanol and water. Notice the symmetrical peak for neutral analyte and the tailing peak for basic analyte. RPC is the dominant mode in pharmaceutical analysis and is highly reproducible. Peaks can broaden with retention time under isocratic conditions, and basic analytes often tail due to interactions with the silica support. Why is RPC the most common mode? We focus on RPC because it's used in over 80% of all HPLC applications. It is the predominant mode in pharmaceutical analysis and bioscience research. RPC can be used with mass spectrometry, MS, detection when volatile additives are used in the mobile phase, making it MS compatible. It also offers excellent reproducibility and mass balance for purity assays in pharma analysis. Let's discuss Mode 3, Ion Exchange Chromatography, IEC. In IEC, the mode of retention is ionic interactions or ion exchange of ionic analytes with bonded charged ligands in the stationary phase. For instance, in cationic exchange chromatography, bonded negative sulfate ligands retain any cationic analytes, which are eluted with mobile phases of increasing concentrations of NaCl at higher pH levels. Major applications of IEC are ion chromatography and the separation of proteins and amino acids. This slide shows an example of IEC used in the ion exchange chromatography of amino acids, using post-column derivatization with ninhydrin because amino acids are not retained by RPC and are non-chromophoric. Salt and pH gradients are used to displace bounded amino acid ions. AX was used in the first amino acid analyzer in the 1950s, a predecessor of HPLC. Let's explore Mode 4, Size Exclusion Chromatography, SEC. This slide demonstrates SEC of polystyrenes. Larger molecular weight components elute first due to exclusion from smaller pores. SEC has lower resolution than RPC. It's also called gel permeation chromatography or GPC for organic polymer separations. In summary, the four primary modes of HPLC and their applications are NPC for the separation of isomers and purification, RPC with hydrophobic interaction as the retention mechanism, the most common mode in many applications, IEC using ion exchange resins with a mobile phase of increasing salt strength and/or pH for ionic analytes, used for ion chromatography and separation of proteins and amino acids, and size exclusion chromatography, SEC, using a control pore support to separate large molecules based on molecular size. Here are some references for further reading on HPLC. Thank you for your attention.